Most people are unaware that they can use Google and a free AI tool to make over $100 in less than 30 minutes. Here's how you can do it step by step. Welcome to RichVista, where we show you the best ways to make money online efficiently. Step 1. Access Google News. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google News. Click on the link to news.google.com. This platform aggregates news from various sources, making it easy to find trending stories that you can use as the basis for your blog articles. Step 2. Identify trending news. Once you're on the Google News site, focus on finding the most trending news in the US. Click on the US tab, which will filter and display the top trending news stories in the country. These trending stories will provide you with relevant topics for your blog articles. Step 3. Create an account on SEO Writing AI next. Visit SEO Writing AI and create a free account. Click on Get Started and sign up using your email address and password, or you can continue with your Google account. This AI tool will be instrumental in generating content quickly and efficiently. Step 4. Generate blog article ideas with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and paste a prompt asking for the top 10 ideas for blog articles based on current events. For example, you can use the prompt, "Provide me with the top 10 blog article ideas based on the latest trending news in the US." ChatGPT will generate a list of relevant blog article ideas for you. Step 5. Use SEO Writing AI to create a blog post. Choose one of the blog article ideas from ChatGPT. Go back to SEO Writing AI and use the one-click blog post feature. Enter the main keyword, click Generate Title, and customize the title to your preference. SEO Writing AI will generate a full article based on the keyword you provided. You can adjust the tone of voice, language, and article size. For better ranking on Google, enter NLP keywords and select the number of images and YouTube videos to be included in the article. Step 6. Finalize your article. Once the article is generated, you can either publish it directly to your WordPress website or click Run to complete the article creation. If you don't have a website, you can still monetize this article through other platforms. Step 7. Find relevant images. Search for the event mentioned in the article on Google to find related images. Use Google Images or Wikipedia to find relevant and striking images to include in your article. Save these images to your computer for later use. Step 8. Copy the article content. Once the article is complete, you can copy the entire text by pressing the copy button on SEO Writing AI. There are several ways to monetize this article, and we'll go through a few of them. Step 9. Submit to Listverse. One method is to submit your article to Listverse, a platform that pays $100 for accepted articles. Go to Listverse, click on the submission link, and fill out the form with your details, the list title, and the article content. If your article is accepted, you will be paid $100. Step 10. Use ShrinkMe.io for click earnings. An effective monetization method involves leveraging the website ShrinkMe.io, a URL shortening service that compensates users for clicks on their shortened links. To utilize this platform, begin by identifying a relevant article about the trending event on Google. Once located, copy the article's URL and navigate to ShrinkMe.io to shorten this link. Each time someone clicks on your shortened URL, you earn revenue. However, it is important to note that the payment model is based on a high volume of clicks, with typical earnings being approximately $5 per 500 or 1,000 clicks. Step 11. Publish on Medium. To further enhance visibility and drive traffic, publish your article on Medium.com, a highly regarded platform known for its substantial reader base and excellent SEO performance. Create a new post by pasting the title and content generated from SEO Writing AI, ensuring that you manually incorporate any relevant images to enrich the article visually. Within the content, strategically place a call to action that prompts readers to click on the shortened link for additional information. This approach not only enhances user engagement but also directs traffic through the Shrink Me IO link, thereby increasing your potential earnings per click. Step 12. Share on Imgur. Share your Medium article on Imgur, a site with millions of users. Create a new post, upload the saved images, and include a call to action with a link to your Medium article. This can help you get more views and clicks, increasing your earnings. Step 13. Offer writing services on Contra. Additionally, you can sell your article writing services on platforms like Contra, where freelancers charge for writing blog articles. You can offer your services at competitive rates since you are using AI to generate the content quickly. Many freelancers earn substantial amounts per hour on these platforms, so it's a great way to monetize your writing skills. Step 14. Write for iWorkWell. Another option is to write for iWorkWell, where you can get paid up to $195 per article. Apply by completing their form, and if accepted, you can start earning from your writing. Step 15. Sell on SEO Clerks. SEO Clerks is another platform where you can sell article writing services. Browse the jobs section for article writing gigs and apply for jobs that pay between $10 and $40 per article. Using SEO Writing AI, you can easily generate these articles with minimal effort and deliver high-quality content to your clients. By following these steps, you can create high-quality articles quickly and use multiple platforms to monetize your content. Whether through submitting to sites that pay for articles using link shorteners for pay-per-click earnings or selling writing services, there are various ways to make money using AI and Google. Make sure to visit RichVista for more tips and strategies on how to maximize your earnings online. These methods are straightforward and can be done with minimal technical knowledge. Start today and take advantage of the tools and platforms available to turn trending news into a profitable venture. Good luck and happy earning. Good.